Hello friends, I'm glad to see you on my channel. Sooner or later, we all face the problem of white clothes. Socks, t-shirts, hoodies, bedding, underwear, losing their freshness. They fade, turn yellow and become stained with sweat and wear. In this video, I'll share a simple and affordable way to wash whites and restore their sparkling whiteness. And I also share some important washing tips to help you achieve excellent results. Let's start with preparation. Before you start bleaching, the clothes need to be washed. I am washing sweatshirts today, turning them inside out before loading them into the washing machine. Depending on the type of clothing, you may need to use a special laundry bag. An initial wash is necessary to remove surface dirt, dust and oils from skin and sweat. Soaking dirty clothes immediately can set some stains deeper into the fabric. Bleaching should only be done on pre-washed clothes. So we load the clothes into the drum. Add gel or washing powder. Select the appropriate program and start the wash. While the washing machine is running, prepare the soaking solution. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of washing soda in 1 liter of water at approximately 60 degrees Celsius. Make sure you use washing soda, not baking soda. It is sold next to the laundry detergent. Stir well until completely dissolved. Pour the washing soda solution into a basin and add another 4 liters of water. The final temperature of the mixture should be around 50 degrees Celsius. The last component is regular 3% hydrogen peroxide. Add 200 ml directly to the basin. And immediately place the washed clothes in it. The solution begins to work instantly, so you need to make it immediately before use. Make it and immediately immerse the clothes. Soak the clothes for 1 to 2 hours, turning them over periodically. The solution is alkaline, so be sure to wear gloves. Bubbles in the water are normal. This is the release of active oxygen, which does all the work. It is better not to immerse small metal parts such as rivets, buttons and bra clasps in the solution to prevent them from rusting. Laces are generally fine, but if in doubt, remove them. After soaking, lightly squeeze the clothes and put them in the washing machine for a second cycle. This wash will remove any remaining alkali, remove any dissolved stains and restore the fabric's softness. Use a small amount of gel. Select a short cycle at the lowest temperature and include an extra rinse. Important: this method is not suitable for wool, silk or viscose. Also be careful with white clothing with colored accents, the solution may bleach them. And finally, if possible, dry your laundry in the sun. Ultraviolet light also helps whiten the fabric. This simple method for washing white clothes will help restore their brightness and freshness without expensive store-bought bleaches. Try it and let me know in the comments how you like the results and what bleaching methods you use. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. There are lots of interesting videos about cleaning and laundry. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.